Hi everyone, welcome back to Hiru Handmade Crochet. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to crochet a solid granny square, a simple, sturdy pattern that's perfect for blankets, bags, and so much more. Let's get started. For the demonstration today, I'm going to be using the milk cotton yarn along with the 2.5mm steel crochet hook. And let's get started with the project. We need to start with a magic ring. So wrap the yarn around your index finger 2 times like this. And then insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have a loop on our hook, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the magic ring we are going to work into. In the first round, I'm going to work a double crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Again work another double crochet into the magic ring, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. And then I'm going to work a treble crochet into the magic ring. So yarn over twice, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops again. Now we have 2 loops left. Yarn over and pull through 2. This is a treble crochet. And then I'm going to work another 3 double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2 and 3. Again a treble crochet into the magic ring, yarn over twice, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again 3 double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, and then work another treble into the magic ring. Now I'm going to pull this tail a little to make the magic ring smaller, like so. And then work another 3 double crochets into the magic ring. 1, 2, 3, and then a treble crochet. After that, work another double crochet into the magic ring. And then I'm going to close this magic ring by pulling this tail tight, like so. After that, to join the round, I'm going to insert the hook into the very first stitch on top of the first double crochet here. So insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. This is a slip stitch. Now we have completed our first round. And then we will work the second round, chain 1, and then work a double crochet into the very same stitch, very same base stitch over here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the base stitch here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then work another double crochet into the next stitch. After that we reach the corner of the work. So into the corner stitch we need to work 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and another 2 double crochet, all into the same corner stitch. So we will work 2 double crochets into the same stitch, 1 and 2, and 1 treble crochet, and another 2 double crochets into the very same stitch, 1 and 2. So we worked 5 stitches into the very same corner stitch here, and then continue to work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1 double crochet into the first stitch, 1 double crochet into the second stitch, and 1 double crochet into the third stitch as well. Now we reach the next corner of the work. There we need to work 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and another 2 double crochets. 1, 2 double crochets and a treble crochet and again 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Now we have completed the second corner here, and then continue to work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then at the corner 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochets. 1, 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and another 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Again 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches, 1, 2, 3, and then the next corner 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochets into the very same stitch. 1, 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and another 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. This is the end of the round 2. I'm going to go into the stitch on top of the first double crochet here and work a slip stitch to join the round. With that we have completed the second round as well. And continue to the third round, chain 1 and work a double crochet into the same base stitch. And then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Then we reach the corner here. There we need to work 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and another 2 double crochets. All into the same corner stitch, and then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And then the next corner, there we need to work 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochets. Again 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then the corner, 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochets. Again 7 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then the corner, 2 double crochets, a treble crochet, and another 2 double crochets into the same corner stitch. And then work 1 double crochet into each one of the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. This is the end of the round 3. And then work a slip stitch on top of the first double crochet here to join the round. Chain 1, leave a little tail, and then we will cut the yarn off. Now if you want to continue the pattern, you can just repeat the pattern into the next rounds as well. Just make sure that you work 2 double crochets, 1 treble crochet and 2 double crochets into each one of the corners. That's it. So like that you can just make it bigger, or you can make many squares like this and join them together to make a blanket or a bigger project. So after completing this, I'm going to use the yarn needle to hide the tail. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this solid granny square with me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy and fun crochet tutorials. See you in the next one.